Hey guys, Ethan Zovers Covers and More back today with a brand new baseball card opening video. Today I got a guest star. This is my cousin Nathan.
Hey.
Daly. Say hi.
Hi.
I have a 2016 Topps Baseball Holiday box. I'm pretty sure these just came out last week. You get 10 packs in here, 10 cards each pack, and you're guaranteed an autograph or a relic. So here we go. We're gonna bust into these. He picked it out, so hopefully we got something good in here. Hope everyone has a happy Thanksgiving tomorrow. I think these have like snowflake borders, so I've seen a few. That's what the packs look like. Pretty cool. So here we go, we're gonna get going. Now you don't collect baseball cards, do you?
No.
He just picked it out for me. Yep, that's what they look like. Pretty cool.
Yeah.
They got snowflake borders. So I'll show you guys those. That's Edwin Encarnacion, Marcell Ozuna, Kenta Maeda rookie, Mookie Betts, Almighty's Diaz.
I don't know any of these people.
This is my second favorite player here. This is one of the metallic ones, I think. I think you get one of these every other box, maybe. Manny Machado, that's pretty nice. It's got a different boarding on it. It's like silver glossy. So that's pretty cool. I think that's a short print. See how it looks different? It's got the crystals.
Yeah.
I think it's a short print. Xander Bogaerts, Josh Donaldson, Mike Moustakas, and Michael Wacha. So I'll do some research on it. Machado, I think it's the metallic version, I'm pretty sure. Let me show you guys the odds. You can look at base metallic snowflake parallel, I think what it is. You guys can pause those and look at them. Alright, we got Joe Mauer, Denard Span, Evan Longoria, Adam Wainwright, Roberto Ozuna, Michael Pineda, Robinson Cano, Javier Baez, Future Stars. That's the World Series champs there, Cubs. Andrelton Simmons and CC Sabathia. So I like the look of them. What do you think?
I think they're pretty cool.
I like the snowflake board. Pretty cool.
Very festive.
Yep. Starling Marte, Brandon Belt, Dellin Betances, Nolan Arenado. Here's another one of those. This one feels like it. This might be the metallic one.
This feels like it too.
It feels like it too?
Yeah.
We got two of them in here. This is Neil Walker. I didn't even feel that one. So there's that. R.A. Dickey. Aaron Nola rookie. Gregory Polanco. Corey Kluber and Craig Kimbrell. We got Ron Howard. Michael Brantley. Rosell Iglesias. Jason Hamill. Addison Russell, Future Stars. Adam Jones. Elvis Andrus. Kenley Jansen. Jose Barrios rookie. And here's a cool picture of Matt Andresi getting dumped by the water cooler. You want to take one, open it up real quick?
Yeah. Open it up.
I don't think he's ever opened the pack of baseball cards. We got 5 packs to go after this one.
Here you go.
Oh, you can go through them.
I'm going to butcher the names. You better go.
We got Russell Martin.
I've heard of him before.
Jake Odorizzi, rookie. Zach Greinke. Matt Duffy. Here's another one of the metallic ones. The silvery. That's Martin Prado. Jackie Bradley Jr., Matt Harvey. You know his name?
No.
Adeni Hechavarria,
Golly.
Joe Panic, and Yoenis Cespedes. So we got 5 packs to go, halfway done. Let me know how you guys like these. We have the relic in this pack. So, see who we get. Trace Thompson, rookie. Eric Hosmer. Michael Conforto. Miguel Cabrera. We'll go from the back. Luis Severino, rookie. Marco Estrada. Justin Upton. And the relic is a nice Freddie Freeman jersey card. That's pretty cool. Freddie Freeman, not a bad player. Congratulations. You have received a relic card from Topps Walmart Holiday Mega Box. There's a piece of jersey. So there you go, big boy.
Gotta pick that one up for you.
That ain't a bad one. He ain't a bad player. Alright, we'll go through these pretty quick. Michael Fulmer, Jacoby Ellsbury, Albert Almora, rookie. Bartolo Colon, Andrew McCutchen. Here's another one of the metallic foils. Kenley Jansen, Paul Goldschmidt, Ryan Braun, Nomar Mazar, rookie, and Anil Walker. You can open another one up. Masahiro Tanaka.
Do what?
Here's my Manny Machado there. That's the base version. Martin Prado, base version. Nelson Cruz. And here's the Nelson Cruz metallic foil.